Beckhoff is introducing our fully integrated vision hardware, which includes cameras, lights, lenses, and a camera unit, which incorporates all of those, the camera, the lens, and the light, though the lens is a liquid lens that can be adjusted via EtherCAT P, just set up parameters. By integrating vision into the software, we eliminate latency between vision inspection results and the rest of the machine control. And it also gives us the ability to configure the camera and the lights in real time. As we're in the inspection process, very easily change the wavelength light of the illumination and trigger the camera with very tight synchronization to motion axes, or even just at a time base of in the 1 microsecond level. TwinCAT Vision also incorporates TwinCAT HMI, which allows you to build HMI that are displayed within a web browser with vision controls and images incorporated into it, along with all the rest of your machine controls. On this demo, we're utilizing a backlight on a fast-spinning saw blade, and we can lock in at a positional trigger, and right now we're running at 650 RPM, and we're triggering the image very consistently at that speed. We can speed it up, and our image is still consistently triggering. That trigger is happening over EtherCAT. We have a second camera, which is showing objects that are also located around the outside of the saw blade, and we can select the different colors that are used to illuminate that image. If we select the image with IR, or blue, or orange, and again, this configuration is happening real time while we're doing inspections and acquiring images. Beckhoff designed and builds their own vision hardware. It is all built to an industrial standard, sealed to IP65, 67. The lights and the cameras have die-cast aluminum housings. The cameras, with their die-cast housing, can be mounted in a number of different manners. The through holes also include internal threads, and the heat dissipation is not a factor due to the mass of the camera body being able to absorb and dissipate heat. The camera unit, which incorporates a liquid lens technology, is robust, and all the capabilities of the camera and the other lights are incorporated into it, with the addition of the liquid lens, which can focus from 40 millimeters out to infinity. The lenses are designed to have, for ease of use, the adjustment rings have two knurled raised on both sides, and the locking mechanism is a clamp collar locking mechanism, which is very robust and can be rotated 0 to 360 degrees anywhere on that lens for ease of accessibility. The lights, beyond having the industrial housing, are 4-channel lights, and they contain the electronics for pulse mode operation. The 4 channels are orange, green, blue, and the 4 channels allow us to do IR also, as opposed to just white light or single wavelength inspection. The lenses are also capable of focusing IR light. They're corrected to focus the visible and the IR light from 420 to 1050 nanometers. And the reason that IR was included was there's many capabilities of IR, from fruit inspection to fill level inspection to packaging, the IR being a longer wavelength, how it reacts penetrating objects to see what's behind or what's through objects.